Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Engineering Technical Training Program. Have you ever wondered how machines turn off and on automatically at the right time without anyone touching them? Today we will explore the timer, the hidden brain inside many industrial machines. In this video, I will explain how timer evolved from manual to digital and computer controlled. Its application I utilized in water treatment plant, heat sealing machines, and auto liquid filling machines. It is perfect for engineering students and professionals looking to understand automation basics. Okay? I had not seen this component when I started working on designing and making machineries as early as in 1990. Timers started to come in market after 1998 here. Before that, I used to find second-hand timers in shipwreck. They were of course good quality, but rarely I got 220 volt timers. Most of them were 110 volt or 24 volt DC. I was in need of 220 volt, so these were not of my use. But sometime I used these 110 volt timers by changing 220 volt to 110 volt through transformer. Refer my lesson number 3. Okay. After 1998, timer started to come in our market. Before that, these some Japanese timers like Omron and other timers had come, but they were costlier than the Hanley timer, this type. But we are calling this Hanley timer as manual. Why? Because you see it is seconds mode and it is of 30 seconds. Up to 30 seconds you can control it, and the setting is done by pointer. As you see, I am rotating it 10, 15, okay, in this way. For this reason, we call it manual. After some time, there arrived a more advanced timer than the first one, and its display was LED display, due to which it adopted a common name, digital timer. Okay. It was superior than the first one because in Hanley timer the setting is to be done by hand, and there are no more settings. You can run Hanley timer up to 30 seconds in between. But here you see The mode button, it is mode button, it is not set at seconds, but if we want more time to function, we can set it at minute, and after then hour, a lot of hour. If it is if we count 99 hours, too much time. Okay. However, but the great advantage of these types of timer over the handle timer is that here you see, this is the timer. This is timer. You up to 99 seconds you can set, but sometimes they required a fraction of second. You see, 21 is the fraction of a second. That is, if it is in this position, it is 9.21 seconds. This is badly needed to adjust volume, time, adjust very easily. Okay. All timers are connected. The line is connected through a base. It has since 8 pins. This timer has 8 pins, so we have to use it. And the same base will be needed in this monotype also. Here you see this is 7, and this 2. 2 and 7 is the supply line, and number 8 you connect 7 or 2 with this, and it will give the same. This is number 6, and this is 5. This is 5. That is, these are NO and NC. Yeah. Okay. As you wish, as your work is, you can connect to a NO line or NC line. I have detailed the base, this type of base connections in my last lesson, Bandtree contactor. Follow it. Okay. On any side of this type of timer, you will see the connection diagram. They have written here very clearly. 2 and 7 is the supply line. Okay. Here also you can see the supply line and NO and C is given here, so follow it. Same. I am setting this to minute, and for that reason I have added this one. And if you want to return back, you again press this minus. Yes, that second you have returned to a second sequence. Okay, but I am giving you this 4 seconds. Okay, one more, 14 seconds, 21 or 51 0.51 seconds. Okay. These were very good. Still we are using it, and in most of our machine it is being used. This is the UCFC. You have seen this 14.51. One thing I faced problem. The problem was that you have seen that after 14.51 seconds, this timer has gone off. That is, its connection has gone off. Connection is through a relay, and it has been off. Now, when you will require to start it again, you must close its circuit first and then again open the circuit. Okay. In most of my work, it is okay that when we are giving any say such a sealing machine, we were pressing the bottles one after another, so it does not matter to us. But sometime in RO plant, when I started to introduce these timers to backwash, it's a membrane. I required a timer which would start again after some set time. Okay. So such timers were also available. I have not, which are known as dual timer, which is at present is not my hand, but they are. Okay. I am going to open a manual type to show it to you. Okay. These are its plate, where you will see all the parts. I have opened a manual type just to show you what it has. Here you see a transformer. This one is a transformer. It is converting the 220 voltage AC line in 12 volt DC, because these are 12 volt DC, as you see here. In both relays are of 12 volt DC here. Okay, two relays, 1, 2. Why 2? One is for NO and the other is for NC. Okay, then this is a small LED bulb. Here for rectifier, these are the rectifiers used, and an electronic for control. This is an IC, and what I have told you, this is the capacitor. Okay, I am not showing it to you so you should repair. No, this is very cheap and it does not require repairing. And the second thing, I have not found any timer going out of order. Both timers, either this manual type or this digital type, both timers run for a long time. If you connect it to its line perfectly, then there will be no problem. Okay. Although it is a small but a powerful component in industrial automation, if you find this useful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow engineers and technicians. You are invited to see my next video. That is also an important component. I will show you how heat is controlled. That will be heat controller. Thanking you. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.